Can being too hands-on actually hurt PPC performance? Yes, it can. And here again, I think it has to do with, think of it this way. If you're hiring someone to manage something for you, you should set them up for success. You should give them access for everything that they're asking you to have access to, so they can do their daily, weekly, monthly optimizations and so on. But what I'm noticing very often is that, especially if you're the first type, the founder, everything is a shiny object and they're throwing the person. My first priority that you hired me for is to manage well whatever I'm given. And then if I also have the time and ability, and if it's within scope, to help you on other sides, what's going to end up with, if you're way too hands-on with managing someone, you just created yourself a job to manage someone who does not need to be managed. And then second, especially if you hire someone who is claiming they are strategic, you're there to always question whatever they are doing and honestly not going to give them the opportunity to do their best. Trust me, within the first month, first 2 months even, you're going to see if someone actually cares about you, cares about your account or not. I'm saying that really when it comes down to being too hands-on, actually can hurt your performance because you're taking someone else's attention to manage and improve and grow into shiny objects where you're stuck.